All right, we're going to go over question number 8 on the quiz covering activities 58 through 61. The question, first of all, shows pictures of a lab that we did in activity 61 where we mixed hot and cold water. The question asks, in the example above, unequal volumes of water are mixed. Which of the following is true about how the final temperature compares to the starting temperature? In this case, the best or correct answer would be choice A. The final temperature was closer to the temperature of the water that had the higher volume. That in this case was the cool water. So when the hot water that there was less, those particles, when they came in contact with the cool water, they transferred their thermal energy to those cool water particles, but because there were so many of them, the temperature most likely did not increase very much. And we saw that happen in activity 61. The second selection, which is incorrect, the final temperature was lower than either of the starting temperatures. This would be impossible. We wouldn't be able to have a lower or a higher ending temperature or final temperature than either of the cups of water's starting temperatures. The third selection was also incorrect. The final temperature was just about in the middle of the two initial temperatures. If you didn't look at the picture or the model carefully, this would have been true if we started with the same amount of volume of each one of the different types of water. But we didn't, so it's incorrect. And the final selection, which is also incorrect, is the final temperature was closer to the temperature of the water that had the smaller volume. Once again, this is basically just the opposite of what actually happened because the final temperature couldn't be closer to the smaller volume because there were less particles to move that thermal energy into. And remember, it also thermal energy also moves hot to cold, as kind of mentioned in the first question or first selection.